Hello there guys, it's JK at Jordan Bikes. Welcome to the video on this Triumph Tiger 1050 Sport. So it's a 2019 on a 69 plate with 7,710 miles on, and as you can see, lovely looking bike. This one finished in this gorgeous metallic grey, really cool looking bike, great all-rounder. This particular one comes with them genuine Triumph LED indicators. You get the dark smoke screen on there, GR Moto exhaust. You also get a radio guard with it. Also comes with your riding modes, your traction control, cruise control. You get the half analog, half digital display as well. Claim brake horsepower of 123. All of that coming from that big 1050 triple engine. So you've got plenty of torque, plenty of punch. Great sports tourer though. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call. Thank you very much.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.